So guys, to get HM04 strength, you want to head over to Fuchsia City. We're going to go into the safari zone. So let's go. You want to head over to the top of Fuchsia City. Let's keep going. Take a left. Go down. Let's go to the safari zone. Alright, let's go. So you just want to copy what I'm doing. I recommend using a max repel. Let's go. We're going to keep going. We're going to go up the stairs. Go down. Keep on going. We're going to go up the stairs again. Go down again. Take a left. We're going to keep going. Go up. Go down the stairs again. Go through here. Keep going. Oh, max repel. Now we're going to go down. Go all the way down. And now right here where I'm standing, you're going to find something called a gold teeth. You want to pick up the gold teeth. This is the first step. So now once you picked up the gold teeth, you want to click on start. And then you want to click on retire. And click on yes. Now we're going to get out of here. Now once you're here for the second step, you want to go into this building. You want to talk to this man, and then he'll give you strength.